Well, there's the cause of our misfire. Plugs are as dirty as, well, the prostitute's minge, I guess. Yeah, well dirty. All fouled up and oily. Covered in fuel. All of them are the same, surprised it run at all really, to be honest. But let's get them cleaned up and back in the car. Tasty. Right then, let's see if we still got the problem. Can't believe it, still got it. No, it hasn't. It's back to life, I think. Yeah, we're back to life. Well, had to sort everything else out. I think I'm going to sell this car now, so don't know whether to sell it with the manifold on or put the standard one back on. Not sure yet. But be a nice little car. Sad to see it go.